And take one. Here we are at Carroll Street Auto, and Roland, tell us about this one.
Hi, Roland Cassidy, Carroll Street Classics. Today we have another 1966 Buick Skylark Grand Sport. This is a two-door hardtop. It has no post, where the other one has a post. This is one of 2,099 cars equipped with a 4-speed transmission. This car is refinished in its original color, white, with a medium blue interior. Most likely you will never see a blue interior on one of these cars. This car has 80 some odd thousand miles, I believe, but this car has a lot more equipment than the other one. It has the bucket seats, it has the consolette with the 4-speed gearbox, it has an AM/FM radio. The mileage is 84,000 miles. This car is original too. Only the seat covers have been replaced on this car. Now this car was painted in the late 80s. We haven't buffed it yet, but it's all original car. I'm talking about just a repaint and seat covers, that's it. This car it's got the rally wheels with the red line tires. The nice thing about this car, it has all its original documentation. It has the original title. This is a one-owner car. It has the warranty protector plate. It has the original window sticker. $3,900 back then. You could have bought a 66 Chevelle 396, 375 horse L78 car for that price. This car's got a 401 Nailhead, which is rated at 325 horsepower and 445 pounds of torque. So another rare example, 4-speed, one of 2,099. Unfortunately, this one's under agreement, but we have another 4-speed car coming at you probably within the next 2 or 3 days. It's in service. So give us a call, and all you Buick enthusiasts, we'd really like to chat with you and to talk about our Buicks, because they're very, very hard to find, exceptionally well-kept cars that are well-preserved, and their numbers matching, complete numbers matching. Thank you, and be safe out there.